What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video we are going to be talking about methods of doing CPA marketing, and this is not only valid for CPA marketing. You can also do affiliate marketing offers using this free tool that I'm about to show you, and this free method, 100% free method that I'm about to show you. Now I'm going to be showing you how it works with CPA marketing, because I believe that you can easily make this work with CPA marketing, but it can also work with affiliate marketing if you follow the instructions that I will talk about in this video. And so before we get anywhere further, you need to understand this diagram, right? And this is a really important diagram, because we have the user here, right? We have the traffic source, and then we have a bunch of things that we can basically create some kind of value for the user, right? Because the other option is direct linking, which is where you're basically giving the link away. And you definitely do not want to do that. There is only a couple of cases where it's a really good idea. For the most part, it's a very bad idea. It's a lazy idea. Imagine I'm trying to sell something, and so I just come to you and say, hey, buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that. I'm not trying to build any rapport. I'm not building value. I'm not telling you a little bit about myself. I'm not asking you a little bit about yourself. I'm not trying to figure out what your needs and wants and really what problem you're trying to solve, your pain points, etc., are. And so that is a really poor method. And so I recommend against it, okay? What you should be thinking about is you should be thinking about something here, right, in this area. This is the most important area, right? Because the users are always there. We always have the traffic sources. We always have affiliate networks. We always have, products to sell. But what's going to differentiate you and really from the rest, as well as what's going to determine whether you're going to get a conversion, really where, the needle is actually what's really going to move the needle is this area right here. So can you do it? And this is exactly what this channel is about. This is exactly the methods that we're teaching you here, is how can you make this more valuable? How can you create more value for the user? And so let's talk about the offers that we're going to be promoting today. So if we go into MaxBounty, and MaxBounty is great because MaxBounty has a lot of offers, CPA marketing has a lot of offers, but what I really like about MaxBounty is that you have lots of different categories, lots of different verticals to promote. And so if you go into surveys, right, and you apply search options, you're going to see a lot of really good offers. Now, surveys are special offers, okay? So if I click on approve to run, I'm only going to see my own offers, right? The offers that I can actually promote, that I don't really need approval for. Now, surveys are special offers. They're really unlike any other offer, okay? And the reason for that is that you can group them together. You can promote them together. You can promote them one by one. You can create a sequence. There's a lot of things that you can do with surveys that you can't really do with other verticals. And what I mean by that is if you go into this category where you have surveys, MaxBounty has a lot of other offers, but surveys are really special. There's a lot of advantages to promoting surveys that I'm about to show you right now. And so the first thing you have to understand about surveys is that surveys, it's always a good idea to group them together. So for instance, if I Google top 10 survey sites in the USA, I'm going to have lots of interesting articles, right? So here's an example, right? This is Millennial Money, and this is basically a blog about finances, right? How to make money online, make, save, grow, borrow, protect. Everything having to do with finances, right? Everything having to do with personal finance, right? So there's how to make money, how to save money, how to grow, right? Everything. And this is a really nice menu here, right? Because it's like you need to make money, you need to save money, you need to grow, you need to borrow, protect, retire early, and life you love, right? Live the life that you love. And this article happens to be part of the whole make and side hustles, right? So if you go into make and you actually find best side hustles, you're going to find this article here. And guess what these are? These are all surveys, right? And the beautiful thing about surveys is that you can group them together. You can promote them in a blog article. This is something I talked about before. There's so many interesting things that you can do with them. And one thing I want to add is that regardless of what you're doing, regardless if you're out promoting, MaxBounty Bitcoin offers, or you're promoting insurance offers or education or dating, or you're doing some kind of ClickBank affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter. It's always a good idea to still promote these offers, because these offers are like the bread and butter, right? It's like, if you are having dinner, right, it doesn't really matter what you're eating. Chances are you're going to have some bread, right? Or you're going to have something, something like a staple in whatever diet that you practice. Maybe if you don't have bread, you might have something else, right? It's a staple, right? These types of offers, this is a staple. And the reason for that is that you can always promote them. They're very, very good offers to promote, a lot better than sweepstakes in my opinion. And so it doesn't matter what you're trying to do, you should try to promote it. Like I was saying, we have this blog article. This is a great way to do it. I have videos on that. But in this video, I want to show you a different method, right? And the method I want to show you is we're going to create a newsletter using a free tool. And instead of basically creating a blog article where we have, so for instance, this has 14 offers, we are basically going to send them a new offer every day, or a new offer every week, or a new offer every couple of days. This is another spin on it, right? And in my opinion, this is a great way of doing it, because if you are basically showing 14 results, you're not putting a premium on the offer, right? It's just, it's like inbox dollars, right? It's just one offer in a sea of many offers, okay? But if you send an email every day, you have a new email, or you can have a daily email using a free tool, it's a lot more effective, because they get that one offer per day, and guess what? They're gonna try to sign up because they don't have a choice of 14 offers where they need to pick and choose and all this stuff. It complicates things, because they have to put in the mental energy in order to pick the offer. But if you send one offer a day, then they can sign up, they can try it out within those 24 hours or 16 waking hours. And so there's more premium for that offer. And so let me show you how we're gonna do that, right? You're gonna go into MaxBounty, or if you're not approved for MaxBounty, see the link above where you can basically watch my video on getting approved. It's a great video, has gotten a really good reception. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on service, you're going to click on approve to run, and you're going to look at different offers. Now, I recommend, basically, you can have this list. This person put this list of offers here because these are good offers, because they're making money with these offers. After that, you're going to go to a tool called Substack. Substack is a place where you can create your own newsletter, okay? And this is not like a commercial email campaign service like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign or anything like that. This is a much better tool, and it's actually a much better tool for this purpose, okay? And you're gonna basically sign up. As you can see, I'm already signed up, and this is a place for independent writing. And they say start a newsletter, build your community, make money from subscriptions. Publishing is free with no limits. We only make money when you do. And so you can get started absolutely free, and you can basically create your own newsletter, okay? That is how it works. And I basically went ahead and I basically created my own newsletter, right? And I can click on dashboard, and I can basically see, okay, I have 7 total views. This is a brand new newsletter that I created. I can create a new post. I can create a new thread. Everything I need to do, I can do it from here. Very, very simple. And then what I can do is I can basically go on this James newsletter, and this becomes the homepage, right? This is the homepage, and you can modify it. You can change it around, and then you can basically share it with people, okay? And so you can basically share it with people who might be interested in this kind of content, okay? Who might be interested in work from home offers, especially in the situation that we find ourselves now with the lockdowns and things like that. People want to work at home, they want to make money at home. Side hustles are really, really big nowadays. And so what you can do is, this is the homepage. You can modify. You don't need a website. You can modify. You can edit this post. You can pin it. You can exclude. You can do whatever you want. Then you can basically click on this and you can share it, right? You can copy a link and you can basically share that link with, whoever you need to do, right? It's very, very simple. And you don't need a website for this. This is a great, great method. And what you're going to do, right? You're going to go out. You're going to pick an offer, right? And so we're going to be focusing on US offers, because the type of traffic you're going to be getting mostly is going to be US traffic. So if I say US, I want US traffic, because US traffic is one of the best, if not the best. And basically we apply search options, and we can pick these offers that allow at least US traffic, right? So this is only US traffic. This is US, CA, UK, AU. This is US, UK. So regardless of what they're doing, they're going to be accepting at least US traffic, which is absolutely fine for us because that's kind of what we want. We don't want to be sending traffic and then not getting paid for this traffic, right? We don't want to do the hard work and then not being compensated for this hard work. And so we're going to be doing this. And so the way this works is that you're going to go back to your newsletter and you're going to click on start publishing, and you're going to basically create your publication, right? So this is James' newsletter. We're going to do this. We're going to click on continue. So I have a description. This is a description here. We're going to click on continue. And so when you do this, you can basically bring in your existing subscribers. If you don't have any, you can basically click on skip. And then you can basically click on let's do this, and you can start basically creating your newsletter. It's an awesome way of doing it, right? And so we're going to go in here, we're going to go here, and we can basically do it. We're going to go to our dashboard, and we can basically create a new post. Okay, this is going to be a post. Hey there, here is your offer of the day. Side hustle offer. You can do this side hustle offer of the day, and then you can basically tell them a little bit. So we're going to start with a brand new offer, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. We're going to do this iSurvey World. We're going to open it up. We're going to learn a little bit about this offer. And so they allow everything except incentive and brand bidding. They do allow email. I know people are going to be asking about that. We're getting $3 per lead. Users can learn how to get paid to take surveys like the pros. Learn the secrets of the best paid survey, okay? And so this area is for the visitor. It's not for us. And so sometimes they basically tell you how much visitors can make money. They are not doing that here. And so, you know, you can go out, you can research, and then this is the information that they're telling us. Lead converts on one-page submit, plus email confirmation. Only approved creatives and LPs can be used. We're going to build our tracking link here. We have the tracking link, and then you can basically copy it. And you can basically use this link when you are creating your email. You can go to a shortener. You can basically shorten it. But the way you're going to do it is you're going to be basically talking about this offer. So for instance, the name of this offer is iSurvey World. I'm going to copy this. We're going to go back here. We're going to say something like iSurvey World. Get paid to complete a survey. And then if you want to research it a little bit, you can basically find out how much people can get paid. I know with some offers it's $5, some it's a little bit more, some it's less. So you can put something like $5, get $5, something like get $5 just for signing up. And I'm not saying this is for this offer. It could be for another offer. This is just an example. And then you're going to give them a link. So you can basically link this. You can click this button and you can enter your link, right? So let's say, you know, whatever, like a random link. We're going to enter our MaxBounty link here. We're going to click OK. And then you're going to have something else here. Sign up here. And you're going to go in here and you're going to enter this link. And you're going to enter your MaxBounty link. You're not going to put news.com. You're actually going to enter your MaxBounty link. And that's it. Now, you can send out 2 offers. You can send out 1. You know, it really depends. If you're going to do a daily newsletter, I recommend just sending out 1 offer. It makes it a lot special. You can even type a little, you can write a little bit more about the offer. You can make it really, really special and make it seem like this is an amazing offer and this is a great offer that they should try. If you're going to be doing this weekly, maybe on every Friday night, Friday morning, or Saturday or Sunday, maybe in the middle of the week, at the end of the week, I would recommend sending something like 3 to 5 offers. I would not recommend 10 offers, although that is an option. I would recommend sending something like 5 offers. I think 5 is a sweet spot. You can test out 5 offers. You can test out 10 offers. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be building an email list, okay? Because you're building value. So maybe you have, let's say you have 100 people on this email list and you send out an offer. Some people may click on it. Some people might not be interested in it, but it doesn't matter because you still have that email list. They'll be able to click on the next offer or the next offer. And you're going to be building this email list, right? And this is kind of the value here. You don't have to keep working because as you're building the email list, you have more and more potential leads that can possibly convert on these offers, okay? And then you can basically go out to Facebook groups. You can go out to anywhere where they're interested in making money online, making money from home, and basically tell them, hey, I have a free newsletter where every day I give you a free tip to make money online. Do not tell them that you're going to give them surveys. Don't tell them you're going to be giving them MaxBounty CPA marketing offers. Just tell them that you're going to be giving them ways to make money from home. That's pretty much it. Just keep it very simple, keep it very general, and that's going to create a lot less confusion than if you're going to tell them exactly what they're going to. Just tell them you're going to get every day, you're going to get an email on ways to make money from home. One way every day, or 5 methods every week, or 1 method every single day. It's really up to you. And you can enter title, subtitle, etc., etc. And this is the way you want to do it. Then you're going to go out to Facebook groups. You're going to say, by the way, I have a free email newsletter where every day you're going to get a new method to make money online or something, or a new side hustle idea, right? Get 365 side hustles ideas a year, right? Or 7 days a week we're going to send an email. It doesn't really matter how you do it, but that's the way you want to package it, okay? And like I said, you can basically go to MaxBounty surveys. If you don't have MaxBounty, you can join another CPA network and basically use the same thing, surveys. I think it's very common across a lot of these CPA networks. And that is why surveys are special. Surveys, they work all the time because you can package them in so many ways. You can market them in so many ways. You can promote them in numerous ways. So regardless of what you're doing, ClickBank, something else, maybe something else on MaxBounty, maybe you're trying to do e-commerce or promote an e-commerce product inside of MaxBounty, still do surveys because you can package them. It's like this site. They're writing a lot of content, but they are absolutely 100% are going to write a content on surveys because this is the bread and butter, right? It's like bread. You can be eating, regardless of the kind of meal you're eating, you're going to have bread or whatever staple that's in your diet, if you have something else. So that is very important. That is how I look at surveys and why I think they're so special. All right, guys, so this is all I want to talk about in this video. Really hope you enjoyed this method. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you thought about it. Let me know if I wasn't clear about something. Let me know if I need to clarify something. Would love to help you out if I can. But I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like. Let me know below. Maybe you just want to say thanks. That's always highly appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because on this channel we have daily videos. So tomorrow there's going to be a brand new method that you definitely do not want to miss. All right, guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to you tomorrow with a brand new video in a brand new method.